how to sell digital product using Dropbox links. So it's like really easy. All you need to do is first of all upload your digital product to your Dropbox. You can click on this option new right here on your Dropbox. You can now either create folder, you can upload document, or most recommended would be presentation, obviously, in order to upload any of your digital product, right? So after doing that, let's just click on presentation right here and select Microsoft PowerPoint for now. And then from there, what are we going to do is now simply drop our digital product presentation that you'll be able to see, right? So after successfully creating your digital product presentation and dropping it to your Dropbox, now all you need to do is simply share this Dropbox. So simply click on share after successfully creating it, and after doing that, here you can now simply copy that link and share it to your potential client, right? So after doing that, you can now open the link in order to make sure that it actually works, and then from there customer can actually download the product after purchasing, and this is how you will be able to sell digital product using Dropbox link. If this video was helpful to you guys, please do not forget to like our video.